It's official. We are in the butthole of New York, the Times Square. This is the place where nobody sleeps, the city which never sleeps, Times Square NYC. So चलिए कुछ स्टिल्स के बाद आपको लेके जाता हूँ आज टाइम स्क्वायर की फर्स्ट शॉप में, तमाशी नेशन स्टोर. Anime lovers such as myself will love this place. So this is One Piece Luffy and Super Saiyan Kakarot. Well, we are greeted with the legendary Ultra Instinct. The biggest action figure I've ever seen, Dragon Ball Z Kakarot. ये रहे कुछ एकदम क्लासी swords. I think ये रोरो नोआ जोरो के है वन पीस में से. And the legendary Dragon Ball, Vegeta, Piccolo, Goku. And then we move on to Gundam fixed figures, just like Transformers, but these are the anime ones. These two. That was the base form shelf. This is all the Super Saiyans. 3, 2, and 1, and the base form Goku. Yep, all these action figures. Oh, I forgot, right behind is the Majin Buu. And the grey tape Vegeta, Demon Piccolo, Gohan, Beast. Oh, right behind there is the Godzilla. Again another Godzilla, Mecha Godzilla, and the 2019 Godzilla. What is this? I don't know. A few dragons, the Demon Slayer, Tanjiro, Gyu, Akaza, Rengoku, Nezuko, the sleeping one, Zenitsu, the boy Inosuke. So this is a slight correction that this sword is from Demon Slayer. Yeah, the Tanjiro's, and it's just for $80. Great. And the swords, 3 sword set for Roronoa Zoro are these, and they are $520. All 3 of them. मेरे पीछे था तमाशी का स्टोर, अगर आपको दिख रहा हो तो, राइट, यप, वो रहा तमाशी का स्टोर, यस. तो उसके अंदर गया था, उसी के अंदर सारे एनिमेस के एक्शन फिगर्स और स्वॉर्ड्स और बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. अगर आप एनिमे लवर है तो आप ज़रूर आइएगा. एक बार मैं आपको फिर से दिखा देता हूँ टाइम्स स्क्वायर के अंदर. यप, ये रहा, ये उसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट चल रहा है पूरा. उसके अंदर आपको स्पाइडरमैन के, बैटमैन के, सबके मिलेंगे, बट सब में ज़्यादा अगर वहाँ कुछ फेमस है तो वो ड्रैगन बॉल जी, लूफी, आई मीन वन पीस और डीमन स्लेयर ऑफ कोर्स. और वो स्वॉर्ड्स जो मैंने आपको लास्ट में दिखाया वो आप खरीद सकते हैं. नाउ इफ़ यू लिव इन NYC एंड if you talk about Times Square, you just ignore Times Square just like Elon Musk ignores his kids. So NYC, especially New Yorkers, don't tend to come to this place, but you will see people over here from all the places and all around the world and all race and all colors. And well, that's the beauty about Times Square, isn't it? This is the Carlos Bake Shop. Yeah, I didn't need to tell that because you guys can already see it, right? This is inside the bakery, Carlos Bakery. seems so tasty, but I cannot eat them because halal and I'm a Muslim. So you can get my feelings, right? So कार्लोस बेकरी से बाहर आ चुके हैं और ये रहा रिमेनिंग टाइम. The more you spend your time over here, the more unique and talented people you will see here. जैसे कोई टिकटॉक का सेलिब्रिटी आके बीच रोड पे डांस करेगा या कोई बड़ा ब्लॉगर आ जाएगा और उसके साथ यहाँ पे फ़ोटो सेशन चलता होगा. He's removing his hands out and Iron Man is helping to click pictures. There's the Incredible Hulk. And where's Spidey? Spidey in there? Okay, here is Spider-Man. You can see ads as much as you want because they've spent so much on the televisions over here or whatever you call it, the screens. See there? So many. And you'll see all the big brands over here. See what I'm talking about? Gap, Old Navy. Also Skechers. Also there's a Skechers over there, and one of the biggest watch brand Tissot. Let's see what these guys have to offer once you are a tourist and you come here to buy stuff. Okay, so this is the things which they are giving us. Statue of Liberty souvenirs, Empire State Building. Yep. क्या लगता है आप लोग ये लेंगे कभी यहाँ आके? बिकॉज ये इतना महंगा रहेगा, आप इसका रेप्लिका खरीद सकते हैं. Unfortunately, there are no prices listed over here, but still. Well, someone also told me that they sell NYPD t-shirts and NYPD shorts. Let's give this a try. I'm just trying to find those. And I'm like, when I heard about it, I was like, why would they even sell stuff regarding or related to the police? You know? Why would they sell? Yeah, see, I mean, this is what I mean. Like, why would they say these are the things which, you know, what are these? These are number plates. These are for the New York taxis, and these are private private cars. Like, why would they sell these as souvenirs? Don't they have any different stuff to sell? So guys, बताओ मुझे क्या आप कभी यहाँ आए हो आर्ट ऑफ NYC टाइम स्क्वायर में, या अब तक नहीं? अगर आए हो तो क्या आप आना चाहोगे अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ? मैं तो काफ़ी बार आ चुका हूँ, बट वीडियो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बनाया है. King Kong, right? These are the stairs where Amazing Spider-Man 2 was shot with a fight scene of Electro. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog till now, and there are few more ads and few more screens. There you go. So much advertisement. So much. Oh, Demon Slayer advertisement is there. See? And there's a play going on, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. Yep, that's the play. Yeah, so that screen had a Demon Slayer advertisement on 12 December. And oh, Kaiju number 8 as well. So these guys have been playing advertisement of animes. Well, that's this kind of videos are meant to be shown to your parents and on to those people who think that anime is for kids. And let's figure out what is this. Okay, so what is this? Let's figure it out. I don't know. Well, surprisingly, I've been here so many times, but I haven't walked all around the Times Square. This is the first time. So, sharing one incident with you guys where you saw I clicked a picture with the Mickey and Friends and the King Kong. They they say that they want tips, but then they ask you for money for tips, and unfortunately you cannot do anything. You have to give it to them, and I will not prefer that you go near them. बिल्कुल मत जाना उनके पास, वो लोग आपको खाली कर देंगे. I myself have to spend $20 and you cannot argue with them, right? Like, I mean, if you want you can, but it's a waste of time and energy for everyone. And one thing that I don't understand is that people stand over here, they watch that part of the Times Square. Okay, that's understandable, but what I don't get it is, what I don't understand is there's some people stand over here and they say bye to these boards. See? Yeah, yeah, that's what I mean. They'll say bye to these boards. Why? Like, what are you gaining after that? Who's standing in that building? No one. But why would you do that? Lot of mysteries. One of the best animes I've ever watched. Give this anime a try. Lot of mysteries. If you guys follow anime, that's so. Aside from that incident, everything has been pretty good for me in Times Square, and the video which you are seeing from past water park and ATV, I have shot it on DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Give me a good feedback in the comment section that how is this camera compared to my cell phone. I know the stability is 20 times better than my iPhone could ever give me, but let me know about the picture quality and everything else. So this is the last store I'll show you guys. Yeah, the Grand Slam. Yeah. Grand Slam. Yes, see that? I don't know what is that. It is something. I don't think so it's any use for me. Yeah, and see this cam? Yeah, stay away from mascots. Stay away, stay safe. Unless you are born in Germany. Well, what is this? The ring light circling all around, and also there's a red carpet. You find so many strange things in NYC that only NYC can hope for, right? Like, you cannot even imagine, like, there are so many strange things. See behind me? Yeah. Yeah, what is this? I mean, what? Why is this? That too in the middle of the street. I don't have that sort of confidence to stand there and make a TikTok video. I hardly am able to make a video of my own when I'm in public, right? How people will just stand over there and start making their own. Stand on the red carpet and make that if you have the guts. I don't have it. Now, because of a protest going on behind, I have to stop making my video. Yep, there's the protest going on. So I need to stop making a video of mine. And also, these guys who are going to, the guys who are going to perform, they didn't perform because there was no energy in the crowd, and they stopped. They'll come after 15 to 20 minutes more. So see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And what is missing, what you didn't like, or if you liked, come down in the comment section and fill up my comment section with all of your thoughts. Thank you, and see you in the next one.